Here we have SAT math question. Okay, let's go the information. Claire and Peter both want to buy new smartphones. Claire has already saved $100 and plans to save $5 per week until she can buy the phone. Peter has $25 and plans to save $8 per week. In how many weeks will Claire and Peter have saved the same amount of money? Okay, so we have to find the number of weeks after which both of them, Claire and Peter, have the same amount of money. Okay, now let me assume X as the number of weeks after which both of them have the same amount of money. Let me write the stuff over here. Here I have written the stuff that is let X be the number of weeks after which both Claire and Peter will have the same amount of money. So we have to find the value of X, which represents the number of weeks are required. Okay, now let's find the total money Claire will have after X number of weeks. Already she has saved $100. Now let's find the total money she is going to save in the next X number of weeks. For that, we have to multiply the amount of money will be saved in 1 week, that is $5, by the number of weeks, that is X. When I multiply this 5 and X, I am getting 5X. So this is the money she is going to save in the next X number of weeks. So already she has $100. This is the money she is going to save in the next X number of weeks. When we add them, this is the total money she will have after X number of weeks. Okay, now let's find the total money Peter will have after X number of weeks. Already Peter has $25. Let me write 25 over here. And is going to save $8 per week for the X number of weeks. So to find the total money will be saved by Peter in the next X number of weeks, we have to multiply the amount of money saved in 1 week, that is $8, by the number of weeks X, then I'm getting 8X. So this 8X represents the money saved by Peter in the next X number of weeks. And this is the money he already has. When we add them, so this is the total money Peter will have after X number of weeks. According to the question, so after X number of weeks, the money had by Claire and the money had by Peter must be same. That means they must be equal. So we have, in this equation, we have to solve for X that represents the number of X. Okay, to solve for X, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the variable X on one of the sides, because here the variable X appears on both sides of the equation. So either we have to get rid of the variable on the right side or on the left side. Let me get rid of the variable on the left side. So let me subtract 5x from both sides. When I do so, I'm getting, so this positive 5x, negative 5x will cancel out. I'm getting 100 equals to 25 positive. So when I combine positive 8x, negative 5x, I'm getting a positive 3x. Now let me subtract 25 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 25 and negative 25 will cancel out. I'm getting 75 equals to 3x. So now to solve for x, I have to divide both sides by 3. Then this 3 will cancel out. When I divide 75 by 3, I am getting 25. So I am getting x equals to 25. Actually, x represents the number of weeks after which both of them will have the same amount of money saved. So since x equals to 25, after 25 weeks, both Claire and Peter will have saved the same amount of money. So the answer for this question is 25 weeks.